Due to an aggressive work environment, you'll occasionally need to replace the nose seals in your female hydraulic couplings. This service will be required when you notice a hydraulic leak coming from the coupling interface when you have an attachment connected. If you notice a leak coming from the face of the coupling when there is no attachment connected, there's a good chance you have a failed seal within the coupling itself and the coupling will need to be replaced. If this is the case, we have a video for that as well on our channel. If you're noticing a hydraulic leak coming from the back of your coupling, there's a possibility that you just have a failed O-ring on one of the hydraulic fittings, and that can easily be replaced as well. To complete the nose seal replacement, you're going to need the nose seal install kit, which contains a pusher tube, a pusher, as well as the replacement nose seal kit. You also need a flathead screwdriver or a transmission pick to remove the existing nose seal. Begin by removing the damaged backup ring and O-ring in the nose seal. To ease the installation, you're going to want to lubricate the bore of the install tool. Notice one side of the bore has a slight chamfer to it. This is the end you're going to want to install the O-ring and backup ring into. Begin by installing the O-ring. Followed by the backup ring. Notice one side of the backup ring will have a black mark on it. That side you're going to want to make sure is facing up. Once those are installed, grab your pusher tool, insert into the back of the bore, place it on a flat surface, and push till the O-ring and the backup ring are at the end of the bore. Now you're going to want to go over your coupler and install it. Before you install your new nose seal, you're going to want to make sure the groove is clean and free of any debris or sand. When you're ready to install it, insert the pusher tool into the bore. Press firmly on the pusher. You'll hear it click in place. Remove the tool and inspect that it's seated properly. This one looks good. Now you're ready to get back to work.